Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to draw this C clamp. Actually I'm going to make assembly in the Unigraphics of this C clamp assembly, and now this is my first tutorial, and it is a body of C clamp, as you can see over here at the left side of my screen. And it will look like this after creating the main body of the C clamp. So let's start the drawing, and we have some dimension. This is a top view of this clamp assembly, as you can see here, and let me show you. This is the dimension of the C clamp, and let me zoom it first so that you can see it clearly. Okay. Okay, this is the diagram with the help of which we will create this body. Okay, so let's start without further ado, and close it, and open a new part. Choose model, unit millimeter, and you can save the name you want. I am giving C shape or main body. You can assign the name and press OK. Okay, now let's choose the sketch and choose the plane, YZ plane, and then press OK. Now I'm going to draw this outside curve, and then after completing this I will make a offset of 8 mm, and then we will extrude it, and after that we will make a flat surface at the bottom of the C clamp and a round surface at the top of this C clamp. So first let's draw a line, a reference line, and I will make it construction so that it do not intersect in my geometry, sorry, my sketch. Click and choose change into reference. Okay, select line and draw a vertical line from this point and assign some dimension to it. First it is 245 mm in length, so double click for to edit the dimension, and it is 245. Okay, 245, enter, and then close. Okay, okay, you can drag it further. Okay, select again line and draw a line at an angle. Okay, and go upward direction. Okay, and again draw some line, again vertical line. Okay, choose OK, and let's assign some dimension. The total length of this part is 35 plus 12, so it becomes 47. Okay, so I'm assigning the dimension, it is 47. Double click and edit it and assign 47, enter. Okay, the total length is this is 8 mm thickness, and it is 46 plus 8 again, and then 75, and then the rest of the circle. So let me calculate it, and let me use my calculator to calculate the distance. Okay, it is and the diameter of the circle is 50 mm, so I will take 25 of it. Let me calculate the dimension. 8 plus 46 plus again 8 plus 75 plus and half of 50, so it will become 25, and now I have total length is 162. So 162 is a total length, because this is also 50 mm in dimension, and it is 75 from this point, and it is the center of the circle, so I am taking 50 of it, so total it becomes 162 at the bottom. So select linear dimension again, and you have to select horizontal, because I'm going to select the horizontal point first, second, and place it 162, 162. Okay, now the next dimension is this top dimension. Again should I draw a line for taking vertical dimension? Okay, we will do this after some time. Okay, the total distance, we don't have any angular dimension, we have a vertical dimension, and it is 2 mm in length, and so I'm taking 20 mm. Again, linear dimension and vertical dimension, I'm going to select, choose this point and this line, and assign 20 mm, and okay. Okay, it is almost okay. uh, and this middle line is 125 mm. As you can see here, it is 125 mm, and this portion is a bit upward from this line, but we don't have any dimensions. So what I'm going to take is, I'm taking is 125, so that we can make it a little bit upward. As you can see, it is not a properly aligned line. As you can see here, it is not properly aligned, and we don't have dimension either. So I'm taking it by default 1 mm more, so it will become 126. Okay, so I'm taking 126 here. Double click over it and press 126, or you can make it flat, it depends upon you. Okay. This dimension is, I don't have this dimension, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to assign approx 35 mm, and let me draw a line from this point, and click and okay, and again convert it into reference line so that it do not interfere in my sketch. Drag it a bit downward. Again, we have 20 mm dimension. For again, you have to select a linear dimension, vertical dimension, this point and this point, and it will become 20 mm. Okay, 120 20 mm, and should I assign this? Let me first let me assign the dimension. So now I'm going to add 846 from here to here, and 8 mm again. This is the thickness, and again 75. So I'm using calculator for this. 8 plus 46 plus 8 plus 75, and it will become 137. Okay, the total length is 137. Horizontal for this, select these 2 points and assign 137. Okay, it becomes 137. Okay, uh, the thing I have left is these fillets. It is 25 mm fillet, and but they are showing inside the fillet, and we don't have outside fillet. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to add 8 into 25. I'm going to 8 with 25, so it will become, let me, 8 plus 25 becomes 33. Okay, so the outside diameter is, outside radius is 33. We have a fillet over here, and 33, enter, and assign this point and this point. Okay, assign this point and this point. Okay, the inside is 25 because offset will be comes in inside, so the outer side is 25. As you can see here, it is not a 35. So okay, 25 for this point and this point, this point and this point, and cancel it. Okay, okay, now the inside thickness is 46 mm. But we have to add 8 plus 8, so 8 8 16. So यहाँ पे we have to I have to add is 16 plus 46. It is 62 mm. Okay. Okay, a linear dimension, horizontal, this line and this line. it is 62 mm. Okay. Is there anything left in the sketch or not? I think my sketch is fully constrained. The sketch is fully constrained, as you can see here. Okay. We don't have this dimension, so I'm assigning a rough dimension to it. A linear dimension, vertical dimension I need from this point to this point. Let me see whether it takes or not. It is not taking. Okay, so it means it is adjusted by itself, and we have assigned all the dimension. I'm just checking. uh, this is 126, 245, and it is 25 mm. It is also 25 mm. It is also 25 mm. It is 47, it is 20, it is 162, 133. Okay, I've got all the dimension, so it's time to uh, offset all the geometry inside, or you can make the inside geometry and offset from outside, but we have more dimension in outside, so we have another command, offset command, and use connected curves, and select any one of these command, and you will get offset outside, but I want inside, so apply and cancel it. Okay, we also need the fillet, but I will fillet it after in the feature. Okay, but you can do this in this also, so let's finish it first, and let me extrude it. And what is the dimension of extrude, how much we have to extrude it? That it is a top view, so as you can see we have 40, we need to extrude this 45 in X direction. Okay, so select extrude command, select this body, sorry, sketch. Okay, it is X direction, value should be symmetric, and 45 divided by 2. Okay, so it is total 45, and apply and cancel. Now you can hide the sketches. Now the thickness in between, as you can see in between, in the middle portion it have 8 mm thickness uh, in this area, so it is easy to draw this. Okay, let me select this middle plane for drawing the middle portion. This is YZ, and okay, drag it the bottom, select offset, sorry, project curve, we need project curve, select connected curve, and select all the curve inside it, apply and the cancel. I think we have left one curve here, so I'm again select and make this also a curve, project curve. Okay, finish it. Extrude, I told you 8 mm, so select extrude, and the value is 8 mm. The direction is and it should be symmetric, and curve is this, and it is 8 mm. Infrared, not unite. I want boolean operation should be unite, because this is a part of this outside body. Symmetric value 8 mm, so I am giving 8 divided by 2, 4 either side. Okay, okay, okay. The next thing is this flat portion. It is 45 mm in thickness, sorry, 45 mm in length, and it is 50 mm extruded outside. For this, and select sketch and choose this face, and okay, draw a rectangle over here. It is 12 mm in thickness. I guess it is 12 mm. Assign some dimension, select linear dimension, uh, drag it outside. 12 mm. Zoom it for further, because we have assumed that it is 1 mm upward inside. Choose vertical and assign 1 mm. Okay, now it is 1 mm upward, and it is 50 mm, sorry, 45 mm. Double click to edit the dimension. 45 and close. Sketch is fully constrained, and exit it. Okay, now we have made this sketch on this face, and it is 50 mm extruded. So select extrude, direction should be X, click sketch. Okay, now the thing is, we hadn't made this in the center, so what I'm going to do is uh, I'm going to choose this symmetry value, limits. I'm going to use the limits. So in limits I'm assigning, it is 50 mm. So how much we will feed here? Let me calculate. 45 means 50 outside, 45, 46, 47, 47.5, I think. 47.5, reverse direction, and this value is on 2.5. Okay, sorry, minus 2.5. Okay, and it should be unite, and then press OK and cancel. Hide the sketch. Now we have flat portion here. Okay, now it's time to make a round portion. It is 24 mm in diameter, so select again sketch. I'm selecting this flat portion in the bottom, and okay, we can't see in the bottom, so normal it. Okay, so let's draw a circle over here. I am drawing here. Take the center. The diameter is 42 mm. Where is the diameter? This is the diameter, 42 mm. Sorry, 45 mm. 45 mm. It is 45. By mistake I placed 42. It is 45 mm. Okay, this dimension should be 0, just to bring it at the center. Okay, let me give the another dimension. Okay, take the dimension, choose linear. It should be vertical. It is 45 mm dia, and select this point and this point. 45 divided by 2. Okay, close it. I think we did some mistake here. Okay, finish it. Let me edit this first. This is the sketch, and again edit the sketch. Okay, we have placed 162 here. I think we have done something wrong here. Again, let me check the dimension. Okay, I'm using my calculator to calculate 8 plus 46 plus 8 plus 75 and 42 divided by 2. because it is 45 mm, I think. Let me check again. It is 45, so it will become 22 point something it will come. So it will become 22.5. So I am going to add 22.5 and 159.5. 159.5. So double click 159.5. Okay, close it and finish it. Now it is at the and double click over it to edit it. Okay, now it is in the exact place. Okay, it is the exact place. It is in the exact place. So exit the sketch. Now the extrusion value is there we have extrusion value 45. So select extrude, and the direction of extrusion it should be Z direction. It is the Z direction, so select Z direction from here and select the curve, and it should be 45 mm. It is 0. It is 45 mm. It should be unite and then apply and then cancel. Okay, now it's time to place a hole. So for hole I have a hole command, and hole is 24 mm. So 24 mm general hole, specify the position. This is the position, as you can see here. It should be throughout it, and it should be subtract. It will automatically take the boolean operation subtract. You don't need to select it. Now hide the part and hide the sketches. Now my tutorial is completed almost, and if you want to assign some color, you can assign it. Let me tell you how can you assign the color. Just click over the body, and there you have a assign feature. With the help of assign feature, specify color, and there you have a lot of color over here. You can assign as you want, and make sure guys save your part after my tutorial, because I'm not going to save because I've already made all the assembly. So it is up to you. Make a proper folder for the C clamp assembly and save it on that folder. So it is depend upon you what color you want. It is your wish. Okay, you can select the color as you want, as you like, depends upon you. Okay guys, let me assign some color over here also. There we have light color, I think. Okay, apply. I'm a bit confused what color I should select, so you can select as you want. And if you like this tutorial, please like and subscribe our channel for more tutorial of this type. And upcoming days I'm going to upload 2-3 videos of this assembly, and finally I will upload a video of its assembly. So please stay tuned for this, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. And if you are the person who is just learning the software, and this tutorial is could be helpful to you, so that you can understand the different things, okay, different commands. So guys, this is my tutorial of C clamp assembly. It is a body. So I hope you like this tutorial, and if you like, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.